Heading out to Paducah, Kentucky today. Got about a 3-hour drive. Just throwing some fuel in the truck and we're gonna hit the road. Got 2 jobs on the agenda. Both of them are right here in this building. One of them is going to be on the first floor for the main management office, and the second one is going to a suite they lease out on the second floor. Now time to get everything unloaded and inside, and we'll get started. Here at the D-Mark on the first floor, I'm going to be coming from this fiber splitter, and the fiber drop is going down this hallway to that last door on the right. And the fiber we're using today is this Corning single strand flat fiber. It does come pre-terminated, and I try to keep that end on there, but if it gets damaged, I'll just fusion splice on another one. Now time to take this, uncoil it out in the hallway, and I'll start pulling it. I wonder if it's got a tape. Got the fiber coming down into the ONT. Now time to finish it up at the D-Mark. Got the fiber ran with a little bit of slack for them to get it plugged in when they're ready. That's it for this D-Mark. Now time to move up to the second floor. I've seen a lot of cool things in my day, but I've never seen an elevator floor indicator like this one. That is so cool. Here we are at D-Mark 2. So I'm gonna be running a fiber from this fiber splitter, and it's actually going to this first suite right here on the left. Their data room's actually probably about 30 feet this way, but we have this stairwell, so we're gonna have to go down through the suite and then back over to get around the stairwell and the elevator. And here is their IDF inside the suite, so we're gonna be running the fiber to this ONT. The glow rod should be right above me. Let me hop up there and take a look. And there we have our glow rods. Fantastic. Now that I got it ran to the ONT, all that's left to do is coil up this little bit of slack for a service loop and get it into the closet where the tap is. So now I'm in the truck heading back towards home. It's about a 3-hour drive, but first and foremost, you know what time it is. Yeah, baby.